Hey guys! Oh, I did it again. I can say hey guys. Can I say hey guys? Will anyone be upset if I don't say hey loves? Let a girl know. I'll try and be consistent.
Yeah.
Anyway, hey loves. We are going to Home Goods. Amanda's here. We just filmed a Ulta video, which you'll probably honestly see before you see this vlog, but I don't know. I don't know, girl. So we're still on the hunt for home decor. She's working on our office. Still going well.
Yes.
She's ahead of me. I haven't really gotten anything else since I saw you guys last, so yeah, I've gotten some. More mood stuff. What's new? What's new? But now I feel like I have more than one area to decorate. I want to set up a different space in my house for my try-ons. So there's some stuff that I have kind of in mind that I'm going to look for, or whatever inspires me. I'm kind of luckily in that spot where I'm just like, want stuff to speak to me. So we're going to do that. Then I think we're going to go to Winco. We're going to go shopping at Home Goods and see what we can find.
Just look.
If we get anything, we'll show you what it is.
I'll show you.
All right, let's go. Hey loves, I am back home. I ended up getting quite a bit of stuff, for me anyway, at Home Goods, but I ended up getting the table. I think I got a shot of it at the end. I'll show you once it's in the house, probably in the same vlog, honestly, but it wouldn't fit in Amanda's car, and there's no way it's gonna fit in my car, so my parents are gonna pick it up for me in their big car tomorrow. It's so cute. I literally love it. It's like the first piece of furniture that I have found that I love, 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 so I had to have it. So I'll show you that, and I also got the moon print and some floating shelves that are really cute. They were a crazy good deal. They had them in black and white. I went with black. Surprisingly, most of my walls are white, so I figured black would be good. Yeah, so I'm home. That was really, oh girl. That anxiety though. My anxiety being, this camera is heavier than the other one. I got to get used to it. My anxiety of being out in the world right now is like automatically at an 8. Like at an 8. At all times, just existing out in the world. And then with all of that drama, oh my god, I almost started crying. I feel so stupid, but it was just like, they were really sweet about it, but like, then I had to carry the table back in myself, and I have a bad back, and I was worried about it, and like, felt bad because Amanda was like out waiting and all this stuff, but it's so cute. I couldn't not get it, especially for only $150 for a piece like that. I'm probably just gonna put it next to my bed, I think. So cute, so cute. I love it. Exciting, exciting. That's definitely my vibe, so I'm looking forward to having it. I should get closer to the light so you can see me. I'm excited to see how this footage turns out on this camera. I do want to get a special mic for this camera so you guys can hear me even better. But yeah, we'll see how this is. Girl, I just got, my bathroom's always a mess. I need to decorate my bathroom. So I was just excited to find something that I enjoyed and would like to put in the house. So like I said, I did film that Ulta video, so if it's already up, I'll link it down below. I'll probably do this as like a collective vlog, not really like a daily vlog, because we didn't end up doing everything we were gonna do because we took too long at Ulta and then at Home Goods, so Amanda needed to get home to her puppies. Now, like, things are good, and most of the time I feel really good, but my anxiety is just crazy. I'm sure a lot of you guys are dealing with the same thing. It's just a lot of life changes at once. Someone, oh, I thought someone was waiting out. I'm gonna go make some food. Maybe I'll vlog some of it. I'm trying to decide if I want pasta. If I want, oh, I hope I'm wearing this again. I keep wearing it. It's still available if you guys want one. It's the spooky, like, mystical sweatshirt. But I'm working on a couple new designs, and I want to know, do you guys prefer something that says loves or something that says girl? Like girl, you know, I always say that. If you can think of anything else that you want on merch, let a girl know. Let a girl know. I have ideas. I have ideas. I can't wait to show you what I'm working on. Okay, I'm gonna make some food. I'm gonna make some food. We'll see if we can find any kittens. Any kittens? There's a Binksy boy. Hi. I got these everything but the bagel seasoned kettle cook potato chips. I think we should try them. I'm in my hallway because I'm under a light. I feel like the lighting's gonna be better. In here, I'm gonna try a chippy. I mean, it tastes like a chip and everything but the bagel seasoning, which is what it should taste like. Very savory. It's tasty. I like it. Got some tomato I'm going to pop in there too at the very last minute before I strain it. Alright, so I put a little bit of some marinara sauce in. It's just this tomato, basil, and garlic from Target. And then I have some tofu sour cream. It just makes it a little bit creamier. A vegan sour cream. Just going to take a scoop. A scoop? Oh my gosh. One-handed, this is hard. That's probably more than enough, but it makes it like it's cheesy. It's so good. Alright, here she is. This is just for anyone that cares, like a serving and a half of pasta, and then probably about a whole zucchini, half a tomato. I put that sour cream in there. I put a little bit of that vegan cheese. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of I'm gonna top it with a little bit of this Nugget. It's like a cashew grated cheese. It's like a Parmesan. I'm out of my favorite kind from Follow Your Heart, but I like this guy too. Almost out of this guy. I need to order this as well. I got it on Amazon. She's good. She's good. I like it. So that's dinner. I'm excited. That's a huge bowl of pasta. And I used protein pasta. Use that pasta. I also added some basil, some garlic salt. Yeah, super easy, super delicious. I'm gonna go nom nom, nom nom. Hey loves, this is my first time ever filming in my bedroom. I put some cute lights up. I went to my P.O. box recently, and I had some cards from you guys, and then I have a little bit of random mail that I've gotten that I was going to share with you guys. So I thought I would just open them. Sorry, these are all Christmas cards, I think. I am the worst at checking my P.O. box. I truly am. But just know I love you, and I appreciate it so much. It's made me so happy when I saw these, and I decided I would open them. So cute. And then I have a BoxyCharm, an Ipsy, some stuff from Revolution, and a alter ego package. Yeah, so I'm going to try and pop through it really quick. But I wanted to show you. So I'm going to open these. This first one is from the Essinger family. So I'm still using that new camera. I'm trying it out, seeing how I feel. Oh, hopefully you don't mind me showing you, but it was this. It's a baby. Cute. The Terrell family. Cute. Look at that. The Christmas Queen. So precious. Aw, thank you, Rachel. You are so sweet. You hang on to those for me? I've got all 3 cats in the bed with me. You can't see them, but that is definitely a usual thing. I think it's Dallas. It looks like D-A-L-A-S. If I am wrong, I'm so sorry, my love. You guys are so sweet. I really appreciate all of this. Is what this card looks like, so thank you, my love, for your Christmas cards. Let's do the BoxyCharm really quick. So this is the theme of the month. I will pop in the info on the screen. I'll add it up later and let you know like the full value of the box. BoxyCharm does send this to me, just so you guys know. I am an affiliate. If you do want to check out BoxyCharm, I will always have a link down below that'll let them know that I sent you if you want to. No pressure, but it's there if you want to. Ooh, there's a Violet Voss palette. Girl. So this is the Violet Voss All of You Forever eyeshadow palette. $34. Hopefully I can fix the white balance on this because I have not figured it out on this palette yet. Hopefully you're seeing this. Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. $28. So this looks like a big boy. This is a tinted moisturizer. I'm going to use this as like a primer because I need a, well, I don't need one, but I'm always looking for a new one because I'm, sunscreen. I need more coffee. I need to do something. So this is worth $35, SPF 20, tinted moisturizer. I'm excited. I've got a smidgen of a tan right now. It's a glow lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm. Look how cute and small this little booger is. Cute. This little guy retails for $25. It's from Trust Fund Beauty. This is a lip gloss, Lipgasm lip gloss in Unprofessional. Ooh, She is electric. That is definitely a spring summer color. So that's everything that came in the BoxyCharm. So the retail value in the box is $140, and you get $115 additional value on top of that 25 product. That's basically free. So that's what I always think of it as. I'm like, I put the 25 bucks in, you get that. So that's everything in the BoxyCharm. I have a link for BoxyCharm. I don't think I have one for Ipsy. If I do, I'll leave it down below, but I don't think I have one. So they sent me this box. I think it's the big one. Let's see what is in here. So, ooh, it's got a Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. These kids. Why? You were being nice to each other earlier. They're like, Mom's filming. Time to be crazy. Got an IG kit. Oh, there goes that. Hydrating hair balm. Salmon cream. I think it's just salmon colored. Pure Leaves Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Really tall. Ooh, she a good one. She a little floofster brush. Anastasia Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I have not tried that. The Kinship Naked Papaya Enzyme Face Cleanser. I don't know, I'm shaking it. That's not going to be helpful for you guys. And then I have, ooh, it's a kombucha. 11% AHA Exfoliating Power Toner from Youth to the People. Who's this little guy? Got a Stila Stale Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina, which I think is one of their like all-time most popular nudes. And then there is a Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Celestial. Ooh, I just saw someone talking about this one. And I think I have a pinky one. But I don't have this one. This looks gorgeous. This looks like it would be a really pretty highlighter. Or so that's everything that came in at Ipsy. Thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this over. I also got this package in my P.O. box, and I have no idea what this is. I thought this was gonna be makeup, and it's, look. Are they vegan? It says they're plant-based. A vegan company! Yay, bless them. So this is Raw Revolution. There is birthday cake, creamy peanut butter. I get more excited about like, I am such a vegan food nerd. Let's try it. So I'm gonna try, because there's two of this kind, of peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. Like, kind of like a protein bar. But honestly, it's one of the best ones I've ever had. Oh my gosh, thank you, Raw Revolution. I didn't think I was gonna get snacks. Rawrev.com. And then I do have this box from I Heart Revolution. I don't know if you can. Okay, so what they sent over were their little cookies. So there are cookie bath fizzers and palettes. The palettes are $10, and the bath fizzers, okay, here's on my face, what's new? The bath fizzers are fizzers. The bath fizzers are $5.50. So we've got a bath fizzer in ginger, a cranberry cookie. Ooh, they smell good. A bath fizzer in bubble gum. I honestly, on the bath fizzers, I might include those as gifts in some of my Poshmark orders because I have super sensitive skin and I can't really use them. And it just lists a whole bunch of stuff on Poshmark. If you're down, the Poshmark is always down below in every single description. Sometimes I'll post on the community part of YouTube and let you guys know when I post on Poshmark, but most of the time I just pop stuff up there. And I'll post on Instagram and let you guys know. But I do include some free gifts. So I probably, because I don't know if I'll be able to use these, just because of my sensitive skin, I'll probably end up giving these as gifts. It smells so good. This one is oatmeal and raisin. I'm going to tell you that doesn't really smell like oatmeal and raisin, but it smells good. Ooh, sugar cookie. They're so cute though. And then tropical. Oh, and then red velvet. Oh my goodness, there's way more bath fizzers than palettes. I got 4 palettes. So I got chocolate chip. What are you? Red velvet. This one is just cookie. Then the one that I popped open to see what it looked like is this chocolate one. So this one's the dark chocolate. Here's what this baby looks like. They are smushy like cookies. I Heart Revolution seriously has the cutest stuff ever. Thank you so much, I Heart Revolution. And then I do have a package from Alter Ego I'm going to show you. Brand new eyeshadow palettes in a 12-piece brush set. Oh, thank you. Ooh, oh, this already looks gorgeous. Blooms. Here, I hope again. This what this guy looks like. Well, definitely, you'll have to let me know if you want a tutorial with this guy or the next one. Let's see. So this one's Blooms, which is all reds and purples. Very Valentine's Day, which I think is the point. And ooh, oh, this looks gorgeous too, you guys. An everyday type of palette for me. This is Canyon. Ooh, they are black and gold. Looks like you get some face brushes. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love the like dual color on there. So some face brushes and some eye brushes. Angled brush, a flat shader brush, a few blenders, lots of stuff. So I will try and leave any links down below for Alter Ego. I am an affiliate with them, just so you guys know. All right, loves, I'm going to show you quickly some stuff that I did in my room, and I think I'm going to close out this vlog. I'm just going to talk now, and then I'll put in some little pictures. So I did put up some little twinkle lights. They are some fairy lights that I've had for a really long time. I tried to make my background on YouTube once, and my cats were just insane. And they've been a little bit crazy with them right now. They don't really, I want them to, I'm gonna like tack them all over so it just kind of, they don't look straight down. I did some of it, so it looks really uneven and crazy right now, but I did that. And then I did get this $2 little photo hanger from Shein. And I realized once I got it, I could have totally done this myself. If you just get some string and some clothespins, you can get them at the dollar store. I might try and do that and do more of them, or I might just buy another set because I like how tiny these little clothespins are. They do have the backdrop, like the little back cards for them, so you can put a regular size photo in them. But I got some prints printed from Fox Print. I just Googled like faux Polaroid prints or something like that, and Fox Print came up. They were like 55 cents each, and they always have promo codes. I think I got all of them and shipped. I got like 15 prints total and shipped them for like $12, 12 or 15 bucks. I think they might have been 15, and then I found a promo code and it brought it down to 12. Pretty sure that's all it was, but I thought they were so cute. So that's like a little decorating idea, a little DIY. We can always do a little DIY together if you want, because I probably want to do more. I also put this little heart in my hallway that I got at Hobby Lobby forever ago, and I haven't had a place for it yet. So I'll pop in a little picture and show you guys that. I'm gonna try and share little things with you as I do them. I've gotten requests for house tours. My house is nowhere near being ready to be shown, and keep in mind, I'm not fancy at all. I think I'll do room by room and like show you decorating stuff as I do it. I got this comforter from Wayfair, covered in cat hair. Oh my goodness. But anyway, all right, loves, I think that is everything. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, our little bit of shopping that we did at Home Goods, just trying to decorate my house. I hope you enjoyed this little mail haul. Thank you so much to you guys that sent me Christmas cards. That's so sweet of you. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next. I'm probably gonna start uploading more than 3 days a week again, because I have so much fashion content to get out, and I don't want beauty and like food videos and vlogs to go to the wayside. I want to be able to still create that content for you. I really miss doing food videos. If you have any recipe ideas or requests, please let me know down below. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Need that cheese. Good stuff. That cheese. That vegan cheese. Oh, thanks. You know. I know you know. I know you know. I know you know. You know? Hey, loves. I am back home. I ended up getting quite a bit a little what is this? You got a chip clip? Can you say hi? And the queen laying on some towels. You laying on some towels? Yeah, looking out here at all the snow. Shoo, girl.